Hey there Discord users, welcome to Tech Basics, and today's video is all about going big and bold with how to enlarge your text. The process is same for both iOS and Android. Let's start. First, open your Discord app and open any conversation you want. Here I'll send the text in a regular way. And you'll see it's normal. But if you want it big and bold, slap a hashtag at the beginning of your sentence, followed by a space, then type in your message. And boom, instant impact. If you don't want it too big and want it slightly less dramatic but still noticeable, increase in size, use 2 hashtags before your text. You can see the difference between these 3. So next time, if you have something important to say, use these tricks to make your voice heard. Well, virtually heard on Discord. And if you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.